Guys, we are green at IMSA Petit Le Mans. Unfortunately, the GTP cars went through already, so we're going to start with the GT3s, and here we go as they launch off the corner in turn 10. All right, guys, here comes the Cadillac. It is leading the GTP field through turn 10, lap 1. And guys, here come the GTD cars again. And we have, it looks like, the heart of racing, Aston Martin, leading the crowd. We have safety cars coming up. Here comes the Cadillac. We are under yellow, though, so he's going to slow down substantially. Followed by the Acura. The other Acura, the BMW, the Porsche, Cadillac, Porsche, and here come the LMP2s. You see the guys coming around turn 10. And here's the space car. Safety car coming out. I'm showing you the cars just under caution, just so you can get a good look at each one of them. And they may go green here. They're going faster. So they may, but I did not see the lights off on the face. I don't know. Now we're into the LMP2s. Now LMP3s, you see the orange on their rear wings, on the end caps. Here come the GT3 cars, led by the Aston Martin. Well, that car is second GTD Pro, in case you want to know. But fifth overall. And most of the cars have the professional drivers out now in the GTD class. Brings up the rear. All right, guys, thanks for your patience. We are going green now. And here they come. They're going really slow, but when they get to turn 10, right here, they are going to launch. Because the start line is right after the bridge, which is behind me. And here they come around and watch them launch. They are going to rip it. Guys, we are green again. Bear in mind there are 52 cars in this field. Now 50 because we lost an LMP2 and an LMP2.